of why I love the Raspberry Pi computers, the microcomputers, is because I love making. I love tinkering. I love messing around and creating little circuits and doing things. I've been working on this circuit where I've been doing microcircuitry for the first time ever, and it's been... Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you see that? Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Really.
what are you working on?
So I'm building an LED strip that's going to dance to music.
Oh, okay.
So it's a fun little project, but they are 1 millimeter resistors.
Right.
The resistors are super, super tiny, and I'm soldering these with my helping hands. So I've got my helping hands. It's got a nice little light on it, and it's got some magnification, but not a huge amount. So I'm actually soldering underneath of this, working like this. I've got it in the helping hands, and I'm using the tip of my soldering iron, and it's really tough. It's really tough. But then along comes this little guy over here, which is a sub $100 magnifying screen, basically.
Okay.
But this has from 1 to 600 times optical zoom.
600
No.
times.
600 times, okay? So it comes with this base. I'll show you this right over here. You can see the base, and I can move this up and down to get different focus, and then I've got a focus knob on the front here. So a couple of things that I love about this. First of all, obviously this is, I think, going to make things a lot easier for me. I'm going to bring it up on the screen for you in just a moment so that you can see whether you agree. But it also records, and that's how I'm going to be able to do that. It takes a micro SD card, and you can record at 1080p. So if you want to do a demonstration, or if you want to do a vlog of your soldering, or I'm using it for soldering. You can use this to look at little critters with the kids, whatever you can do with a microscope. Right. But this is a video microscope, if you will. So it's available for under $100 at cat5.tv/microscope. And let's actually fire it up so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to turn it on, and it does get about 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. It comes with a lithium battery. It comes with the charger, and you can just plug it in, charge it, and it'll run for 6 hours apparently on a single charge. So I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to hit record here.
All right.
And I'm recording just like that. So now, look at this, guys.
Wow. Okay.
Now I'm completely out of focus.
Yes, you are.
I'm going to move up. Look at the hairs on my finger. Okay, I'm going to adjust the focus there. Wow!
Ah!
Isn't that nuts? And I'm recording this. This is...
Those are finger hairs.
I can grow hair. Look at that. Okay, so now I can get my little soldering gig in here that I've been working on, and I'm going to be able to see, and why am I showing you this, how bad my soldering job has been with the helping hands. Let's get it in there. Oh,
wow, okay.
My goodness. All right, so now it starts to come clear. So you can see how difficult this would have been for me without this kind of magnification. So now, and I've got some flux there. I got to get this all cleaned up now that I can. Look at those. So that's what I did. So now I can put that in just like that. And then I've got my soldering tools, and I can get in there and fix it up or do what I need to do some really microscopic soldering. That's what I wanted this for. But for under $100,
you could use
I
it
would
for
find
anything.
things to like.
Sure. I want to get slides. I want to get the kids involved. I want to show them.
This is what your blood looks like.
This is what it looks like. Don't worry, it's only going to hurt for a minute, kids.
Now, what magnification do you have on right now?
Well, it's impossible for me to know the exact magnification, Jeff, because it's based on height.
Okay,
right?
so
So that's
not like
less magnification. No.
Okay.
So that's less magnification up there. So if I focus in.
Right.
Okay. So now if I move down, just kind of roll it down. I can get right in there and then focus it. See if I can focus that close. Not quite. So let's bring it up just a bit. Lock it. Still a little too far down.
Oh, there we go.
So that would be like the high end. Well.
Wow.
Okay, so look at that. And it looks like I can get in a little closer.
Yep, there you go.
There we go.
That is unreal.
That's a terrible soldering joint right there. So there's the resistor that I've been soldering on. And you look at that blob of solder and think, okay, well, that's microscopic by the human eye.
Right.
Those are only 1 millimeter.
That's amazing.
And that is a terrible soldering job, Robbie.
That is amazing.
I'm so embarrassed. But there you have it, folks. That is available at cat5.tv/microscope. It's going to take you to our shop, and then you can choose where you want to buy it from. We carry it on Amazon and everywhere else. It works fantastically well. I'm impressed. It's going to make my solder all the better, and I'm looking forward to getting some critters and getting the kids to see, hey, what does a fly look like? Let's get in there, put it in a little Tupperware container, and get a look from above.
Yeah.
And see what things look like.
Your soldering can't get worse.
Like zero conceivable
Thank you.
purpose for that at this moment in time, but I'm thinking I will find things for that.
Oh yes.
Like, oh,
Look at my finger hairs, folks. How cool.